Welcome to Internal Interviews, the show where we answer your scientific questions from a student's perspective. We're your hosts, Daniela
and Grace.
We're senior neuroscience majors at Wellesley College, and today we're coming to you live from the Wellesley Research Program to interview each other about our experience learning how to write a review paper.
First off, we want to introduce our collaboration team. We collaborated with scientists from 3 institutions, Wellesley College, Wilmette University, and Caltech, who are in 4 different career stages across 3 time zones. We have special guest Dr. Jess Conwell, a postdoctoral scientist at Caltech, who is going to elaborate on how we narrowed the scope.
Hi, it's great to be on the show. So yes, refining the scope of the review is very challenging, but we've managed to make a lot of progress on this. And we did this by using information from all the activities that we performed together as a group. And what we realized is that collectively, we're all interested in the brain-body connection, how the brain communicates to different organs in the body, and how that changes or is changed by the internal state that an animal is experiencing. Now, we all work in different research areas and on different types of organisms. So we thought it would be interesting to also take a cross-species comparative approach where we looked at how this brain-body communication and internal state differs or is similar across different organisms. So for example, some of us work on the tiny little fruit fly. I personally work on beetles, and others have done research or do research on newts. And so we think that by looking across different organisms, we can provide a new and interesting perspective and information on this topic. Now, we understand that this is still a very broad scope, and we plan to further narrow this. One way in which we're looking to possibly do this is by focusing on a subset or maybe even a single behavioral need or basic need that an animal performs in order to survive. So these might include things like finding food, reproducing, staying well hydrated. And so by focusing on 1 or 2 of these basic needs, we may further be able to refine the scope.
Tell us what's next for this project.
We're hoping to publish our paper in a journal called Integrative and Comparative Biology in January. Keep your eye out for it.
Thanks for joining us today on Internal Interviews.
Bye.